Hello, my name is Todd Neville, Senior Product Specialist for Cable Accessories at Hubbell Power Systems. Hubbell Power Systems offers many T-body kits, which can become very confusing. Basic T-body kit comes with a T-body, cable adapter, aluminum compression connector, aluminum stud, and basic insulating plug. This is the most common and lowest cost kit. T-body is common in all the kit options. The cable adapter connectors change depending on the cable size and insulation thickness. The optional part we offer for this kit is shear bolt connectors, which can be an excellent connection without the use of compression tools and dies. We also offer copper top connectors and copper studs for more current carrying capacity. We also offer cold shrink jacket seal and shield adapter kits to protect your cable from moisture integration. The big disadvantage of the basic T-body kit is there's no way to ground the cable, check phasing, add arrestor protection, or a tap. These next kits we discuss will give you these options and much more. The ETP gives you a 200 amp interface on the back of a T-body. The ETP kit contains the same components as the basic T-body kit, except the ETP is used in place of the basic insulating plug. In fact, if you currently have a basic T-body kits on your system and you would like to add a 200 amp ETP to give you a safer, more functional system, this can be done by de-energizing and grounding the line containing the existing basic T-body, removing the basic insulating plug, replacing it with the ETP, making sure that you tighten it to the proper torque. Another product gives you a 200 amp interface. It allows you to test for voltage, phase, ground, add arrestor protection, or a tap is the LRTP. The LRTP functions basically the same as the ETP, but it requires less torque to install and remains attached to the T-body whenever the T-body is removed from the 600 amp equipment bushing. The LRTP cannot be retrofitted to the basic T-body kit. The LRTP has an integral stud and requires a threaded lug. Another option for the T-body kit is a reducing tap well. This is a 200 amp bushing well that is installed in place of the basic insulating plug. The reducing tap well gives you the option to install either a 15 or 25 kV bushing insert into the well. These are the 4 T-body kit options available at Hubbell Power Systems to meet your underground distribution needs. For more information on T-body kits and other cable accessories, contact your customer service representative or local territory manager.